In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you want your Google Slides presentation to print on both sides of the paper, you're in the right place. Duplex printing saves paper, reduces weight in your handouts, and just looks more professional. I'll walk you through the exact settings to turn on, explain what each option means, and share a few tips to avoid upside down pages. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation in your browser. Make sure the slides look the way you want them to appear on paper. Check your page orientation and any images near the margins so nothing gets cut off. Next, open the printing options. Go to the File menu and select Print. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+P on Windows. This brings up the Print Preview and Printer Settings window where you control how the pages will come out. In the print window, look for a section called More Settings. It may be collapsed by default, so expand it to see additional options. This is where most printers reveal the advanced controls you need. If you have more than one printer installed, double check that the correct printer is selected at the top because the available settings can change depending on the model. Now, locate the setting labeled two-sided or duplex printing. Different printers use different wording, but they mean the same thing, printing on both sides of each sheet. Turn this on. If you don't see it, your printer might not support duplexing, or the feature might be disabled in the driver. In that case, you could still print double-sided manually by printing odd pages first, then flipping the stack and printing even pages. But today, we're focusing on built-in duplex. After enabling two-sided printing, choose how the pages flip. You'll see flip on long edge or flip on short edge. Flip on long edge is usually best for portrait documents like a book. You turn pages along the left edge and the backside isn't upside down. Flip on short edge is better for landscape layouts or notepad style flipping along the top edge. If you're unsure, long edge is the safest starting point for most slide decks. Before you commit to the whole presentation, consider printing a single page as a test. That way you can confirm the orientation and flip are correct. Finally, when everything looks good, click print. Your printer will handle the rest and produce a clean double-sided deck.